Okay, today I'm going to show you guys my SML puppets from Super Mario Logan. I don't know if you guys watch Super Mario Logan, but I love his videos. So let's start out, not my favorite, but Junior. I'm Junior. I do not have his bib anywheres, but pretty much the one they use from Super Mario Logan. I'm Junior. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now we have, next is Bowser. Bowser Jr. Or Bowser, I mean. Theo. Good. Bowser is, I'm Bowser. I can't make his voice, but I have Bowser. Theo, stop. Bowser is your son, like. Yeah, and Theo tries to jump in. Then we have Mario. It's not the one we use for, it's not the one they use for, Super Mario Logan, but he's a Mario, I guess, so yeah. So now we just have, Wario. Where's the garlic? Oh, you gotta finish the garlic. Theo! So then I have Wario. Oh, Wario. Oh, gosh. Oh, yeah, Wario. I have Wario. Then I have Yoshi. Peace. Jump, you silly publish. Yoshi. He's a regular Yoshi. Here's the back of him. And then we have Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong. Back of him. He has his DK sign. Yep, now let's move on to my favorite. The only thing it doesn't have about for I want to get a Jiffy doll, but not yet. Here is Chef Pee Pee. Oh my gosh, Chef Pee Pee. Dum. So that you can, you can buckle a shirt. Yeah, then you can do all kinds of stuff. Well, that's really my whole collections of SML, but I might have some more. I don't think so. So, bye. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. Remember to watch the other videos, and bye.